Hello dear traders, it's me Kate Stikina and you are on InstaForex TV channel where you can learn about the latest financial market news. The number of factors that shape the market sentiment increased. Earlier the key factors were easing of the rhetoric of the Federal Reserve and the US-China trade conflict. Now the escalation of geopolitical tensions near the Strait of Hormuz has added pressure on the market. Yesterday, Tehran reported an American drone had been shot down on the territory of Iran. However, the US Department of Defense claimed that the drone had been attacked in the international space over the Strait of Hormuz. In a surprising move, Donald Trump softened these tensions, having expressed doubts about Iran's ability to make such a daring move. The US president assumed that the drone had been brought down by someone loose and stupid. Nonetheless, traders reacted to this incident by buying safe haven assets. As a result, gold prices hit the levels last seen in September 2013. The precious metal skyrocketed above $1,400 per troy ounce. Further on, the Brent crude benchmark is also set to hit the recent highs. It was seen to be trading near the 3-week peak at $65.40 per barrel. If the tensions intensify, the commodity will have every chance of rising to $67 per barrel. At the same time, rising oil prices provide support to the commodity currencies. Thus, the Russian ruble hit the 10 months high. The dollar-ruble pair was consolidating near the level of 63.00. If the price breaks this level, it may fall lower towards 62.00. This scenario is quite possible with the upcoming tax period in Russia, a robust demand for debt securities and higher oil prices. However, the ruble is likely to gain ground no sooner than next week, as investors refrain from buying risky assets ahead of the weekend. That is all for now. We wish you healthy profits. See you on our channel in a few hours.